Namaste. Kushro Bhatia. I, J.B.N. Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic. Overview of regulatory authorities of United States. This topic belongs to the pharmaceutical regulatory affairs for the B Pharm 8th semester students. Now we come to the introduction of US FDA, an agency is with the US Public Health Service, which is a part of the Department of Health and Human Services. Agency monitors the manufacture, import, transport, and storage and sale of medicines, medical devices, and biological products, and radiation emitting device. Some of the organization belongs to the US FDA, Center of Biologics Evaluation and Research, Center of Devices and Radiological Health, and Center of Drug Evaluation and Research. Center for Food Safety and Applied Nutrition, and Center for Veterinary Medicine. Office of Regulatory Affairs, National Center of Toxicological Research, and Office of Chief Counsel and Office of Commissioner. Mission. US FDA का मिशन क्या है? To promote the public health by the promptly and efficiently reviewing clinical research and taking appropriate action on the marketing of regulated products in a timely manner. With respect to such product, protect the public health by ensuring that the food are safe, wholesome, sanitary, and properly labeled human and veterinary drug are safe and effective. There is reasonable assurance of the safety and effectiveness of devices intended for human use. Cosmetic are safe and properly labeled, and public health and safety are protected from the electronic product radiation. Participates through appropriate process with representative of other countries to reduce the burden of regulation, harmonize regulatory requirements, and achieve appropriate reciprocal arrangement. What US FDA regulates? Biological products, product manufacturing establishment licensing, nation's blood supply, research to establish product standard and to develop improved testing methods, cosmetics, labeling, drug, product approval. Over-the-counter and prescribing drug labeling and drug manufacturing standards, food, safety of all food products, exempt meat, and radiation emitting electronic product, radiation safety performance, and standard of microwave, oven, diagnostic X-ray, and equipment cabinet X-ray, such as baggage X-ray at airports, and laser products, mercury, vapor lamps, and veterinary products. US FDA does not regulate advertisement, alcohol, consumer products, and drug of abuse. US FDA guidelines good laboratory practices of non-clinical laboratory studies in part of 58, and food labeling in part of 101, and current good manufacturing practice in part of 1110, and labeling in part of 201, and investigational new drug application in part of 312. Application of FDA approval in part of 314, over-the-counter drug in part of 328. So this is the complete session for the US FDA. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you.